What is a company's greatest achievement? Big numbers? A large business? No. Success becomes truly meaningful when it does not just reach greater heights, but also give wings to thousands of dreams. One such inspiring story has been written by Campus Activewear Limited, which through its CSR initiative has taken the commitment to support 1,453 Ekal Vidyalayas in Uttarakhand and 1,685 in Himachal Pradesh, bringing the light of education to thousands of children. These more than 3,000 schools are not just schools. They are dreams taking shape.
मेरा नाम कुलदीप है। मेरे विद्यालय का नाम एकल विद्यालय है। हमारा एकल हमारा ध्येय। हम सब भारत माँ की संतान है। आज माँ के आंखों में आंसू है। हम माँ के आंसू पोंछेंगे। हम धरती की ताकत जगाएंगे। हम देश को सुखी बनाएंगे। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय।
These schools are carrying the light of education to villages where once education was nothing more than a distant and difficult dream.
C for cat.
Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, where the majestic Himalayan peaks rise high, where nature unfolds its unparalleled beauty.
नजीदी बोलियो पहाड़ा छोड़ी के न जावा बैजी बोजी पहाड़ा छोड़ी के ठंडो मिठो पानी यक गंगा को मैत यक अलक नंदा भागीरथी को यकी वोंदु संगम रे न जावा बैजी बोजी पहाड़ा छोड़ी के.
Yet amidst all of this lie numerous remote villages where education remains hard to reach. Difficult mountain paths, remote villages, limited resources. And in between of all these challenges, when a child recognizes alphabet's first letter, when a young girl smiles as she takes her first step towards her dream, when parents proudly smile as they watch their child learn, then it is not merely education. It is the beginning of transformation of an entire community. Ekal Vidyalayas do more than teach children to read and write. They also guide them towards values, self-reliance and empowerment.
मैं एक एकल विद्यालय की आचार्य हूँ और मेरा नाम सलोनी है। जब से मैंने एकल विद्यालय ज्वाइन किया है, जब से मैं एकल विद्यालय में जुड़ी हुई हूँ, जोड़ घटाना, गुणा भाग और सांस्कृतिक से लेके खेल के माध्यम से स्वच्छता के बारे में और आरोग्य शिक्षा के बारे में ये सारी जानकारियाँ देती हूँ.
And Campus Activewear Limited's contribution to this noble mission proves that when the corporate world walks hand in hand with society, the pace of change multiplies many-fold. Campus Activewear Limited has shown that building a stronger India is not just about creating opportunities in big cities. It is also about giving wings to the dreams of a child living in the remotest corner of the country. A child who is simply waiting for an opportunity.
मेरी पढ़ाई के लिए कैंपस का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.